Awesome. I'm going to do mid-back first, all right? I'm going to adjust this part, and I'm going to do it gently on the exhale. Good. And breathe in, please. And out. Good, Caroline. And I got you. Okay.
Oh.
You okay with that?
Yeah.
I'm going to angle your head down an inch. Okay. And maybe move your arms out there. There you go. Perfect. I'm going to stretch this part over, okay?
Okay.
And breathe in. And out. Good. Let me just stretch you because it should feel nice. Good. You good with that?
Yeah. It's awesome.
Okay, good. This side as well. Breathe in, please. And out. I got you. Nice.
Oh. That was loud.
That was great. So far, so good?
Yeah.
Better than you thought?
Yeah.
Cool. Turn your side. Face me over here. Yeah, that'll help you.
Cool. That was crazy.
That last one went good. Because ribs attach all the way up in here. So if you hold that and stretch, the ribs can actually adjust a little bit too. I'm going to bend here. Let's just pull you, twist you a little bit here. Perfect. Here. I'm going to bring you here. So, can you scoot toward me? There we go. Perfect. I'm going to stretch the low back, okay? And breathe in. And out. Good. Let me stretch you over. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathe in again. And out. Nice. Cool. Other side. Okay, and this guy. Let's kind of twist you here. Perfect. Okay, this part. Breathe in. And out. Same thing. Stretch you here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice. Breathe in again. And out. Nice. Okay. Lie on your back.
I know, the mask is the worst.
These blue ones have little furry things.
Yeah.
Now lift up your head. I'm taking out your pillow. You put your head down. Perfect. I'm going to do mid-back like this. Similar as the face down, but a different position. Okay. Hug yourself here. Now, I'm going to roll you over and put my hand under there. When I roll you back, totally relax.
Okay.
So breathe in. And out. Good. Let the shoulders go. Let the arms go.
Is your name?
No, but keep yourself standing. Go here. Go. Here you go. And let me roll you up. Breathe in. And out.